The discussing topic is about 11 kV breaker explosion. The pictures you are seeing the exploded breaker of 11 kV by the fault. The explosion and bursting out of the carbons and the affected panels. Pictures is showing here affected bus bars, the carbon depositions, etc. here and there. You can easily see that. Buspose insulators inside the panels has already been affected, and the upper part epoxy already been affected also the spout. The BPI has been dismantled, and you are seeing the BPI, affected BPI. The work is starting for the renovation, retrofitations and the modifications of the panels and adjustments of the new BPI and cleaning and painting inside the panel. So the painting inside the panel has already been completed. This bus bar was adjusted, and the affected breaker has been just serviced and overhauled, and this BPI has been fitted, and now the breaker panel has been cleaned, and this is the procedures by help of totally inside the breakers. So this is the painting is going on inside this. The retrofitting of the insulation tape has been fitted on the junction point of the bus bars and also on the BPI. And this is the retrofitted circuit breaker and painting the circuit breaker, affected circuit breaker you have seen. Thank you very much.